Well, I've been a tour guide since 2015, although I already did a little bit of tour guiding here and there since I was about 19. It was something I knew I really wanted to do, and I'm good at tour guiding and languages. So I can speak Spanish, English, a little bit of French and a little bit of Portuguese. I moved to Belfast in 2004 after completing a degree in tourism in Castellón in Spain, where I'm from. I've worked in various places, including hotel, local television, receptions, and mostly admin. I did the tourist office for about 10 years, and now I work in a medical centre, but only part-time. I have two wonderful children, Chloe, who's now 12, Adam, who's 9. They're both amazing and I love them to bits. I'm married to David. He's from here, from Northern Ireland. I met him when I came to learn English 20 years ago. And we hid it from the word go, basically, one day, and I knew he was the man of my life. I love exploring our city. I go for walks with my family. I go on the bikes. And I love socialising with my friends. We go out for coffee, and well, if it gets a bit later in the night, I love going out to a dance club, or I love dancing.